Hello friends, this is Rizwan and welcome to my channel. In this video I will create this beautiful website with the help of HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. You can see I have header with navigation menus and with beautiful hover effect. After this, I have this beautiful banner section, one image in the left side and the text on the right side. This is my heading, this is another text, and the button with beautiful hover effect you can see. In this banner section I have used one background image as background, you can see. After this section, this is another section, one image on the left side and the text on the right side. This is our About Us section for our website. After this section, you can see this beautiful section, one image on the left side position. This is my another background image, and this another image set as position, and this is another image. This beautiful section I will create. So don't worry guys, I will create this website step by step. This is our food gallery section, and the tick hover on this menu, you can see this beautiful hover effect. If you click any of these menu image, the image pop up on the screen with beautiful effect. You can click this arrow, the menu image will change. After this section, I have another section, the image on the background and the text on the mid of this section. This is our text and the border around this text. And the next section is our menu section. I will edit these three different columns with the menu image, the menu name, and with some other text and the price of the menu. After this section, you can see this beautiful section, this image set as position and the background color and some exclusive message, beautiful message of this section. And the last but not least, this is our footer of this website, and you can see this beautiful hover effect and this icon with the beautiful hover effect. I will create step by step. So I hope guys you are so excited about this, and I'm also excited about this video in which I will create this beautiful website with the help of HTML, CSS and Bootstrap step by step. So go to the Visual Studio Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code editor. If you have not downloaded it, this Visual Studio, go to the browser and write Visual Studio Code download. Hit the enter button and download from the website and install it. Very easy. After this, I will discuss my folder structure of this website. This is my index.html file. I have included some links. This is my Bootstrap CSS link I have used in this website, and this is my style.css file in which I use my styling for this project, and this is my jQuery.fancybox.min.css file, and the assets folder I have one CSS folder, one for fonts folder and the images folder, and another is JS JavaScript folder. In the CSS folder I have bootstrap.min.css file I have downloaded and in CSS folder, place in CSS folder, and the fontawesome.css file and the jQuery.fancybox.min.css, and this is my style.css file. Don't worry guys, this project zip file link I will provide in the description box, so you download it from here. Okay, so don't worry about this. This is my fonts I have used in this project. This is my another font family for my text of this project, and this is my another font family, Mondstadt regular, and this is another font family file which I have downloaded, and this is my images folder, and images folder I have separate these all folders section by section. This is my group 1, and in this group 1 folder I have 5 images, and in group 2 I have 1 image, and so on. These all images are used in this project. So don't worry guys, step by step I will discuss. In this header footer folder I have one logo image, and in this JS folder I have bootstrap.bundle.min.js file which I have downloaded. This is my custom.js file for use of some JavaScript code of this project, and this is my font.js file. This is my jQuery.min.js file, and this is my jQuery.fancybox.min.js. So let's move to the index.html file, and first I will create my header. Okay guys, first in this header I have used the container file, which is the Bootstrap default container class, which have the Bootstrap default class for container. So container is the class name and this is my div. In this container I will add the row class in this div. Okay, and this is the Bootstrap default classes which you use must for our layout. And in my header I have one container I use, so this space, some space for the left side and some space for the right side. This is the benefit of Bootstrap container. And this is my row, this is my header row, and in this header row I will create 3 separate columns. This is another column, and this is another column, and this is another column. So these 3 separate columns I will create in my row. So look how dot column dot call md4, okay, and press the enter button, and in this dot column md4 I will create this navigation menu tabs with the help of unordered list. So ul, and in this ul I have some list like home, about, menus, offers. And copy this and paste. About, and in this ul I will add the class with the name of menu1. Okay guys, and after this call md4 I will add another call md4 for this logo image. So I will add one div, and in this div I use the image tag, and in this image tag I will pass the path for my image assets, and in this images group 1 and top logo .png. This is my logo image file, and I will add the class and the class name header logo, and I have add one Bootstrap class text center, so the image will showing center of this header. Okay, so in after this I will create another call md4 for this column or menu logos tabs. So I will use unordered list and list like that, and add the class menu 2. This is my header HTML So I will create for this header some CSS apply on this header. So go to the style.css file and apply some CSS on my header. So first I will target this main header class in my CSS file. For targeting this class, you will use dot and the class name. After, in this main header div, I will targeting this menu1 class. So dot menu1 class is targeting, okay, and in which the ul dot menu1 class is targeting. So guys, this is not our class, this is the HTML tag. So before this you don't use dot, okay, or don't worry, remove this ul so you are not confused, okay. And this I have apply display flex property. So go to my browser and check. So my layout look like this, okay guys. So I will target this class and I check the image is not showing. Where is the error? I will check. So the image is not showing because the image color is white, you can see here. So don't worry about this. For this menu 2 class I will target, okay, in my CSS. So copy this and paste it here. So in this I will use the property display flex and you can see so change this class name as menu2 and in browser refresh the page and you can see this is in flex, okay. So I have applied some space or padding to the top and the bottom of this header. I will apply some CSS more. So I will target this header and in this header I will target this li. You can see here this li. I have some CSS apply on this. So padding 0 from the top and bottom and 10 pixel from the left or right. I have target the a tag in which I have applied some CSS on that. So the text decoration is none, and the color of my menu tab is black, not black, it's white. So you can use this or this. Okay, so don't worry about this. I have applied some CSS on menu 1 LIA, comma menu 2 LIA. This is the targeting of menu 1 and menu 2 and LIA and LIA. So text decoration none mean remove the line from the text. Okay, and font family I have downloaded from the Google font. Okay, so you copy this and go to the browser and type font family like this and hit the enter button, and in this link you have download this font family and you click this download now button. So this font family downloaded. After this you have use like this @font face, and you will write your font family name like this, font family HN, and the source you provide here, like my fonts folder. This is my font family file I will use in the CSS. I have used in this CSS file. So this is my another font family, and this is my another font family I have used in this project. So move to the LIA tag again. So text transform uppercase mean all the text are transformed into uppercase. Okay, so first I will comment this, so not this hover effect. Okay, so the hover effect is stop, and this is my text I have applied on this text transform uppercase and text transform uppercase. I have some font size apply on this like this, font size 21.33 pixel, and the color is white, and the header background I have applied some properties. Position fixed mean you have scroll your page, so the header is fixed on the top. Okay, so I hope you understand this. And with 100% background color is black, like black color. Okay, so this is my background color, header background color. Okay, so the Z index is 5 and transform 0.5 second, which this mean I will discuss a few minutes later. Okay, so when I comment this, okay, so the transition 0.5 second mean this hover effect very smoothly. Okay, hover effect is very smooth like this. So this transition 0.5 second mean is hover effect is like very smooth or 0.5 second. So the background transparent is none over the hover effect, you can see. Okay, so move forward. So for this time I will comment this. Okay guys, so this header and this header looking not same, so inspect, and with the help of inspect you can target, you can click this arrow and target this menu. So the menu class is menu1, you can target this, and after target you will increase this padding, so it's look like good, and you click this again and target this menu 2 and set this padding. Okay guys, so it's look like good, and this header and this header look like same. So style clicks dot style dot css and copy, control A target all and control C, so the all CSS copy and into the css dot style dot css file, control A and control V, so the all CSS paste on this style.css file. Okay guys, so move forward, and in this header I will create this beautiful banner section. So in this I have used one image on the left and text on the right, and one image on the background on this banner. So move to our index.html file. Okay, so below this header I will create the div. So I will create one section first, and after the section I will create one container, and in this container I will add the row class. This is the default bootstrap class. Okay, so in this I will separate this row 6 column into 6 column. Okay, so break this row into 2 columns, like dot call md6, in which I will add this image. Okay guys, so add one div, and in this div I have add this image tag, and in this source I will pass my image path. Okay, so in assets and images folder I will use this image, and the bootstrap default class image flood, you must use this class. This is the bootstrap default class for images. So guys, I will add the class here, and the class name I have set group to image. After this column I will create one
more column for the text. Okay, and I will add one div. So I will add the class here, the name, banner, content, and this content I will add this heading and this text and this button with beautiful hover effect. So copy this and add h1 tag and paste it here. Okay guys, format document. After the formatting of my document, I will add p tag, and this p tag I will add this text. Copy from here and paste it, and I will add one more div. Okay, and in this div I will use this button. So for button I will use the anchor tag. Okay, and in this anchor tag I will pass the JavaScript closing tag. Okay, so in this a tag I will write this contact us text, contact us text, and add the class here with the name of banner button. So this is my banner content. I have added one image from the left side and this content from the right side, and move to my CSS file and apply some CSS on this image and on this text. But first I will add some classes here. Text align center. This is the Bootstrap default class, not text align, text items center. Okay, and one more image class add. This is not the class name, this is my correct class name which I use here. Okay, so move. So first I will target this banner class. Okay, so dot banner, and I have applied some CSS properties like background image. Background image I have used in this folder, images folder from group 1, and my file name is back.png, and background position is center, so my image showing on center, and background repeat is no repeat, so my image is not repeating again and again, so the background size is cover. So go to my browser and check, this is our banner is showing. Some CSS apply on my text and this image, so my banner is looks like good. So I have applied on some CSS, and in HTML I have write the BR tag. Okay, and in CSS I will target the banner h1 tag. This is my h1 tag. Okay, some CSS properties apply here. So font size is 66.67 pixel, font family is this, and the color of my text is this. So move to the browser and check. So it looks like better. So the color of my heading is this, and this is my heading of my banner section. And I will apply some CSS more. So I have target my banner content P, this P, and apply some CSS properties. Font size 25 pixel, font family, and color is white. So move to the browser and check. So it looks like good. So I have applied CSS on this button. Okay, so target this button, and my button name banner button, and this A I have target on my CSS. So I have applied some CSS on the banner button div. You can see here, this is my banner button div, and this is A tag. Say okay. So I have applied padding, some up down space, and on this A tag I have applied background color, font size and color, and the text decoration is none. Padding, some padding apply from the internal space, 13 from the up down, and 40 from the left and right. Font family is HN, and border radius is 5 pixel. So go to the browser, and this is my banner button. So it's look like better. So my banner section is not looking so good, so I have some CSS apply on this banner. So I have applied some padding from the top and from the bottom. So you can check my banner looks like this. So I will inspect, and so I will show you this background properties. So this is my padding from top. You can see this is moving downward, and this is my padding from the bottom. You can see. Okay, so cut this inspect terminal, and you can check this is looking good. But this banner and this banner not showing same, because I have applied on this background some layout color. So I will apply on this background some background blend mode. Background blend mode is overlay, and background color is this. So I will check and refresh my page. So my banner is looking so good. So the background blend mode is smoothly like blackish color. Okay, so inspect and check my background black blend mode color. So this is my background. This is my background blend mode. This is overlay. So if I remove this, so you check the response. You can see here clearly. Okay, and this is my background color I have applied on this background blend mode on this background. Okay, so you can change this color from here, and you can see the effects. Okay, so I hope you understand this header and this banner section very clearly. And after this, I will apply some hover effect on this button. So target this A tag, this A tag and colon, and right hover. So apply hover effect on this banner button. Okay, so I have applied. This is my hover effect properties. Background is transparent, border 3 pixel solid, and this is the color of border, and the text color is white. So check and refresh the page, and you can see this is not working good. So for this, add in this banner button A transition 0.5 second. So it's working beautiful. So refresh again, and you can see this beautiful hover effect, but it cannot working good. So I will add this property for a tag, border 3 pixel solid transparent. Okay guys,